Thutha wa kurugurio muthenya wa umuthi, kamitii ino itanyitwo kuhura kambi kaunti-ini ciothe niguo kwaraniria na Akenya hamwe na anyiti itemi sekta-ini ya githomo.
Anthony Cheroyot
Akiaria hindi ya kuruguria kamitii ino, munini wa mutongoria wa bururi Rigathi Gachagua ugite thina munene uria ugumeire mutaratara wa CBC umuthi umanite na gukorwo anyiti itemi matiakuruhanirio, akiuria kamitii ino gutegera matu mawoni na mendekithia ma muingi.
We are not interested in being praised and being told what we want to hear. Please listen to the people of Kenya and come up with a report that reflects what Kenyans want and what they feel, however bitter it is.
Ona kuhanura uguo, Gachagua augite mutaratara uyu nduraninwo, indi thirikari ni ihariirie kuyukia mendekithia ma kamitii ino kugacirithia.
The CBC is not being repealed. What this good team is doing is to look at it, get the views of stakeholders and the people of Kenya to keep and improve what is good and to address challenges of where there could be weaknesses for our children.
Kamitii ino ya ameba 42 igukorwo igitongorio ni Professor Raphael Munavu uria wiraniire gukinyaniria matanya ma Akenya hari maundu ngurani maria marabatarania kugacirithio sekta-ini ya githomo.
In the coming days, we will issue a call for public views, and we will also share a stakeholder engagement program for submissions that shall inform the working party in the execution of its mandate. That will be done next week.
Mwenaini wake, Minister wa githomo uria rehera wabici George Magoha ni oritie kamitii ino kumurika makiria githomo kia ngathi cia iguru, akimiuria kuheana mendekithia mayo itekuhithirira onake.
Why are we having 3-4 universities in a township? And then you make it worse by creating other branches in other townships. And everybody is quiet because it is not politically correct. I think His Excellency President William Ruto has given you the opportunity as the technocrats to pronounce yourself on this matter. I want to see whether you are bold enough, because the universities are dying because they are underfunded and they are thoroughly fragmented.
Anyiti itemi sekta-ini ya githomo ari hamwe na arugamiriri a thukuru cia andu kiumbe nimeraniire kuheana mendekithia mao kuri kamitii ino wona cikaro ciayo ciambiriria.
Twahariria ripoti itu ira tukahe task force niguo tuone wagiriru wa githomo thini wa Kenya gwiciana citu cia Kenya kuma primary, secondary on education.
Kamitii ino iri na ihinda ria mieri 6 guthurima na kuheana mendekithia mayo makoni mathina kiondorita maria magumeire sekta ya githomo ari hamwe na mutaratara wa CBC. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV kuma Karen, Nairobi, gitagwo Ngena wa Waduro.